just saw his whole body go.
Here is the crew.
Hans has done all of the work. We couldn't have done it without him.
Why are we laughing at the crew? This is amazing. Okay, these are all unpackaged. I think they have to be assembled. A couple of elders talking over this plan here. Oh my, there's some more parts that have to be put together. And here are some parts that haven't been unpackaged yet. That's what they looked like before, what you just saw. Oops, here's some more, and there's still some more in boxes. Looks to me like a lot of work yet. So the crew is going to have to get bigger, obviously. Good job, guys and gals.